Okay, we're going to show you the Crowne Plaza République in Paris, France. So we walked in the front door, and right to the right is this closet for your luggage. You have two lovely robes that we're going to use for sure. You have a place to hang your clothes. You have an ironing board and an iron. And then you have a safe. Plenty of room to put luggage in there. So that is your closet right as you walk in the front door. And then you have a separate toilet area. So there's the push button lights. There's a nice little toilet room. And then you have this lovely full-length mirror. And then you walk into the room. And you have this lovely seating area with two beautiful chairs and an ottoman to kick up your feet and a little table, place to put your luggage. Beautiful crown molding. The bed looks very comfortable and beautiful with a padded headboard. The lights on the side of each little nightstand, and the light switches that you can turn off right at the side of the bed make it really nice for going to bed easily. There's this floor lamp that has this lovely push button on and off switch with your foot. Beautiful artwork. This nice little sitting table with a chair. And then the beautiful blackout curtains that we love so much for sleeping in. Next I'll show you the television. It's a good sized TV. And we have this lovely coffee area with an espresso machine, complimentary waters, all of the lovely flavors that you could ask for, and a little mini fridge. Perfect size. And then we'll show you the shower room. Lovely, again with the rain head shower head and the handheld. Little step up to the shower. We folded the shower towel, the floor towel, like a little robe or something. I'm not sure, but it's cute. And then you've got one of the backlit mirrors. And a lovely sink area, extra towels, all the things you could possibly need, hair dryer. And then this area will show you more in the daylight, but if you pull back these curtains, this room is number 120, and you get a beautiful courtyard view. So I'll show you this more tomorrow in the daylight, but you can walk out to your little terrace and have this lovely courtyard view. Okay, more later. Have a good night. Okay, we're going to do a quick video of, now that it's daylight, of the little courtyard that comes with this room. So if you just open the blackout curtains and the shears, you can open this window and you're out here in this courtyard. It's so beautiful. This is the Crowne Plaza République in Paris, France. And this is the lovely courtyard. And this is a room on the first floor. Okay, if you like what you see, hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Okay, we are still at the Crowne Plaza Paris, and this is the tour of the little patio area. like a garden patio that the guests can come out to. We've got this beautiful covered umbrella area with lights. We've got a little area to play. I don't know what that is. Let's see if we can figure out what that is. And a little hammock type thing. And the little hanging chairs over in the corner. Lots of areas to sit out here and eat. Probably not so much this time of year. This is November 2nd. And it's a little chilly to be out here. But I bet it's beautiful in the summertime, in the spring and fall. Lots of live plants. And this over here looks like a little area where they can open that up and do like a little bar. More umbrellas that they can set up. I like the pops of color where they have the pink lounge chairs. And I love all the plants. And these little windows that you're looking at up here are the guest rooms all around the courtyard. And this is a live tomato plant. I love all the plants. I love all the pots. This is beautiful how they do the big square pavers. If you're on the first floor, your room door opens up like the video we showed you. Opens up right out here into the courtyard. So it's a very, very lovely hotel. Crowne de République in Paris. Let's go over here. There's a little area over here too that's kind of blocked off. You have to get to through another. Well, this is when you're going out the front door, I guess. It's a beautiful entrance into the hotel as well. It will show you really map around in there, but this is just gorgeous. And there's little benches out through that walkway, and then if you go left, that's into the hotel. So you've got lots of extra chairs set up if you need to have or something up here. It's just really lovely, and as we walk over here, areas to just sit and enjoy. And also, look at the chess game you can play. I actually saw some kids out here earlier playing a chess game together, so they left it like that. Game over. You've got little areas of grass. Got all these beautiful planters with grass inside. It's just so calming and relaxing. And I was kind of surprised to see palm trees. I'm just going to peek and see what's over here. More grass. More grass. Anyway, this is a lovely hotel. If you want to stay at a Paris hotel, highly recommend this hotel. The cast members, the employees are very kind. I had a cute little gal in the dining room this morning. We've had her every morning. She's seated us, and she's always so sweet. And everyone speaks English if you're worried about that. Very easy to communicate, get around. And this is a nice central hotel for all the things you want to do in Paris. Okay, well, have a great day. If you like this video, hit this like button down below and subscribe. Have a good day.